I am here at my, I won't say favorite spot, but for the most part, when I'm in Clinton, it kind of is my go-to. Southern style barbecue and chicken, Clinton, North Carolina, if you're ever here. I'm about to show you their times that they're open. I'm gonna show y'all that. I do like it that they have two menus, one to prepare yourself and the next to order. So this is the first menu and the other one is just like it. They're very busy, so this was a smart move to have two menus. So hopefully people would be ready when they get there to order. So right here, I don't really know if I'm ordering my husband anything. He hasn't called me back. So
he might get something, he might not. But I'm gonna just get my typical barbecue and coleslaw, and probably my husband's, I guess I'm gonna get him his usual 2-piece dark with collards and yams. I think that's what he gets. I hope that is. I think I got that part right. Okay, and then here's their time that they're open, 10:30 to 8, Monday through Friday. Saturdays is their short day, 10:30 to 6, and then, well, they close earlier on Saturdays. And then Sundays they're closed, of course. So yeah, it's actually not too bad today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in front of me. We have been here when there's 10 or 12 people. 12 cars, and then there are other cars. You can do a walk-in where you go in right there, or you can order it and walk in or order it and then pick it up and then go over here to their dining area. So they have a whole dining area, so you have plenty of room. So yep, I'm gonna show you what I get once I get home. We typically, if my husband and I are together, we'll, a lot of times, let me talk to y'all. If we're together, a lot of times we'll just pull over and eat, or we might even go in and eat in their dining room. But in this case, it's just me, so I'm gonna just pick up and go. I might get Dill some mashed potatoes or something without the gravy. So I'll probably get him something, even though he may have eaten already, but I'm gonna get him just a little something. All right, y'all, so let's see if I can do this ordering right when I get there without having to think too hard, since that is the purpose of the two menus. Okay. Yes, I would like a 2-piece dark with collards and yams.
Okay.
And I like a small barbecue with coleslaw and mashed potatoes, no gravy.
Okay, that completes your order, ma'am?
Do you all have a large size lemonade, or like a half a gallon?
32 ounce or 16 ounce.
Do you have like a half a
We
gallon?
have a half a gallon or a gallon.
Yes, I'd like to get the half a gallon of lemonade.
Thank you for round.
I'm sorry.
Thank you for round.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, I can't hear,
But I did pretty good. All right, let's move along. The line is actually moving pretty fast today too, so I like that. All right, I will show you my plate and hubby's plate when I get home. Again, the name of it is Southern Style Barbecue and Chicken. Right? I think it's safe to say
you will enjoy your food. Now, I can't promise you it's going to be a short wait, but you will definitely enjoy the food.
they allowed it for the people in the back. I cannot promise you a short wait at this place, but the food is really good, and I think you will definitely enjoy it. So I've already paid, and they've given me my lemonade. Lemonade on deck, y'all. Now, the only thing about not eating it right then is you basically end up punishing yourself if you have to go down the road like I'm about to have to do and smell this food. So yeah, I'm about to punish myself all the way to the house, and that takes about 35 minutes. So it's 5:09 now, so I will get home about 5:45, something like that. Yeah, something like that. All right, I will chat with y'all, and I will end this video with a quick look at our food. Y'all have a wonderful Friday evening. I get to just chillax. Yes.